What is the correct way to refactor dot for each as callback function below to use arrow function syntax? Name. True. Which of the following methods returns an array with values that evaluate to truly based on the condition in the method's block? Dot filter. Which of the following methods returns a new array? Dot filter. Const animals, bears, cats, dogs, elephants, giraffes. Animals dot every animal dot length smaller than 5. Okay, so this is definitely going to return false. Which of the following iterator methods returns undefined? Dot for each. Which of the following methods returns a Boolean value? Dot sum. What is the value of found element after the code runs? So random nums dot find index num greater than 200. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be at index 4 because 3543 is greater than 200.